Hello everyone, welcome to another Everspruce tips and tricks video. Today we're going to discuss a great new feature that has been added to the Everspruce Home Inventory app, and it's been highly requested by many users. And so today we're going to discuss how to use the additional fields feature. So this new feature isn't for everyone, but it's more for the user who wants to capture more information about their entries. And the beauty is you can pick and choose which fields you want to add to your entry. So pick the ones that are more relevant to your entries, and then you can ignore the fields that are not relevant to your entry. So there are a lot of details that I will walk through today, but basically all you need to do is go to settings, scroll down to fields, and look at all the different options that you have, all the different fields that you can turn on and off to your personal preference. And then I will also discuss what other additional features that the Everspruce app has that will make it easier for you to create entries. So stick around and I will talk about that at the end of the video. Okay, let's now get into all the additional fields detail. So first things first, go into your Everspruce app. You want to go to settings, which is in the top right corner where the gear symbol is. So go ahead and click on that. And then you're just going to scroll a little bit down and look for the title additional fields. So you're going to click on that. And then here you're going to see all the different fields that I have included that you can use for each entry in the Everspruce app. So here, item quantity, it's like if you have something that has more than one, you can turn that feature on and put 2, 3, 10 in. And then item value is how much that entry costs. So if you have more than one, the Everspruce app will multiply it by the quantity. So say you have 2 rolls of yarn and each costs $5. So Everspruce will go ahead and do that calculation for you and do the total value. And then item notes is a feature that I thought if you have additional information you want to put on in about that entry and that the description doesn't give you enough space, here you can use item notes to put in additional information about that entry. And then item warranty date. So if you have some equipment that has a warranty on it, then you can go ahead and use that feature. And item purchase location. So I thought maybe it would be good if some people can use this feature if they wanted to remember where they actually purchased an item. And then item serial number, some items have a serial number given by the manufacturer. You can go ahead and put that information in there for yourself. And item manufacturer, I think that's self-explanatory. And then item model, same thing. If there's a specific model name for your item, you can go ahead and add that information into your entry. And then I also added item instruction manual URL. So a lot of manuals are going online. So you can go ahead and go online, click on the link for the manual and just plug it into that entry if you turn on that feature. So go ahead, to turn it on and off, you just go ahead and click here. And if it's green, then that feature will be available for your entries. And then so you can custom make which ones you want to turn on and off, which suits your needs. So that's what the beauty of this feature is. You don't have to use all of them. Just turn on and off which one suits your needs the best. So we do plan to add more fields into this feature periodically, and as Everspruce is evolving. So if you feel there's a field that I have missed in this first round, feel free to email me and let me know what field that I totally need to add to the Everspruce app that would help you out. So you can easily do that by just scrolling down in settings and go to send feedback, and it will send me an email through the app. So I'm always trying to improve Everspruce to make it better for the users. And so I'm constantly getting emails and suggestions, and it has just helped me grow Everspruce to be a more efficient and useful app for all the users. So thank you for all the feedback. I really, really appreciate it. Now let's discuss the hidden feature I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So we've now included sort options for selecting parent entries when you create an entry, when you move an entry, and when you want to print out QR code labels. So we're going to go back into the Everspruce app. And then I'm going to go to my home office, and I'm going to just select an item that I want to move back into my closet. So let's just use this item. The upper right corner under options, I'm going to select move entry. And then here you can see where this new sort feature is. So you're going to click on that and you can sort by name, newest, oldest, and this will make it easier for you to find your parent entry. So I know where I want to move this. I want to move this back to my closet. So I'm going to go ahead and click name. So now everything is in alphabetical order. And then I am going to find my closet. And there it is. The item has been moved. That simple. And this feature, this new sort feature, is throughout the app. So go ahead and play around with the app and see where you can find it useful for yourself. Well, thanks for watching another Everspruce tips and tricks video. I hope you found this video very helpful in using the new feature, additional fields. This new feature will allow you to customize your Everspruce and capture as much detail as you need for your entries. Happy organizing!